Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft. Miss Jill's going to be out here in just a minute. I think she's wandering in as we speak. We're out here in front of the Range Road Edger. We milled a bunch of maple boards for a roof deck boards for a pavilion we're building. And they're 6.5 to 7 inches as they shrunk. We're going to straight line them on the edger here. I ran 3 through it. Works fantastic. Very pleased with it. And we're edging them down to 5.5 inches. So without further ado, let's get this going. Love to watch her strut. I don't know what I say here, but I know I'm very excited about how this is working out. Very pleased with this machine. I don't have a lot to work with here. These are about 6 3/4 inch boards and I'm cutting them down to 5.5 inch. So I'm trying to line this up as best I can where both cutters make contact with the board and cut on both sides. A couple of times I'm a little off, but for the most part, man, did this work great. This machine's so fast, it's even hard to keep up with 2 people. She's moving pretty quick here, and there's times I'm waiting for her. Great job, Jill. We got a lot done this day. You will see me do this several times throughout the video, or Jill trying to lift the board up. I have the outfeed table a little too high at the end, and these boards have a little curl to them, and I'm keeping the curl down, so sometimes it snags on the end. So might make a little diverter after that last wheel, but I do have to lower the outfeed table on the right here.
That thing's fast.
Wow. Jill, that just upped our lumber game tremendously. We weren't serious before. Now we're serious. I don't know how you can be serious without it. You may have seen me playing with this to control the speed of that belt. That's what I was doing. This is the speed control, and this is a fine tuner. Excellent. They're all the same. What's your thought on your birthday present?
It's great. It works fast, makes it easier, a lot quicker.
Very nice lumber, guys. We're serious lumber makers now, is what I told her just a little while ago. We were pretending without this thing. You know, no matter how sharp your band is, you're gonna have straight cuts, but they're just not perfect. This is perfect. It's not perfect on the sawmill. I mean, it's close to it, but now these are all gonna butt together fantastic up on the deck. Not afraid of this thing at all. It works great. So pleased. If you're looking for something like this and you live in the Midwest or in Michigan, particularly Harrison, Michigan, a company named Runnin Gears, Lorena and Marcus and Josie, they did a fantastic job dealing with us and
Yes,
getting
really
us.
nice to meet them.
It was really nice to meet them. We spent a good hour with them up there talking to them and about the company and about Range Road equipment. So there's possibly some other stuff in the future coming because there's a few things I do want. I definitely want their conveyor for my super split log splitter over there. But this makes our lumberyard with the Frontier sawmill more of a lumberyard now. We're making quality lumber. You know, the Frontier sawmill is now our slow part of the process. We have a remedy for that maybe in a couple years.
This was so fast. Sometimes I felt like Laverne and Shirley in the chocolate factory episode. I was trying to work.
I'm not familiar with that
You don't know?
episode, but I remember Laverne and
If you're familiar with it, you'll know what I'm talking about.
the runner around, you know, yeah, probably or Lucille Ball in the Pie Factory or something. Or I think wasn't
yeah.
that one?
There's one with her and Ethel, yeah.
Yeah.
But Laverne and Shirley had one. They both had one, I think.
So anyhow, guys, the Range Road board edger up to, this is 20 inches on it. I think you can go every bit of 20 inches. That's a big board. We cut those at about 5.5, somewhere around there, whatever it turned out to be. I'm not gonna move that because I have another little skid of boards I have to run through there, but we're gonna plane them first. So those have been planed. I gotta route all the edges yet, and then they're going up. But this is all about this beautiful piece of equipment. I'm very pleased with it. Very, very pleased.
Very nice. And you're right, it's Lucille Ball. It was that episode, not Laverne and Shirley. They were a beer factory.
That's what I thought. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
Lucy and Ethel trying to eat all the chocolate because they couldn't keep up.
All right. It wasn't Laverne and Shirley, folks. Hey, that's the Fonz.
Well, it's all the same.
Same era.
It's our era.
All right, guys. Take care. We'll see you next time.
Have a good one.